So this is the Horizon theme you see here on the screen. It's Shopify's best free theme and it's built by Shopify's own team of professional developers. And this you see over here is the Shopify theme I built myself over the last 16 days using AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I ended up with, how the theme actually works behind the scenes, and then I'll put it side by side with Horizon so you can see how close one guy with an AI tool can get to a whole team of Shopify developers. So first, why would I even start developing my own Shopify theme? Hey, my name is Robin and I'm probably the biggest Horizon fan. Shopify's free theme. I've created multiple videos on this topic and I love Horizon. So for example, I've built this store with the Horizon theme and I'm currently working on this store, also built with the Horizon theme. So I've built multiple stores with Horizon and I also teach people how to do it in my course. But from time to time, I'm getting the same question. Can I just get your design? Can I click a button and have your design? And what they mean is this design you see over here or this design you see over here. So most store owners I speak to don't want to spend that much time designing their store or figuring it all out. They just want to upload their products, upload their images, upload their collection pages and start selling their stuff. And technically behind the scenes, so this is the Shopify editor, you're probably familiar with this. If you click these three dots here, I can simply click download theme file and export the entire design and send the zip file to you. You can basically then click import, upload zip, and done. And then you would have my exact design. So these designs you see over here, you will have that design in simply just a minute or two. But there is an issue with doing that with the Horizon license. So here it basically says you may not submit, list, market, sell, distribute, or otherwise make available any theme that is based on, derived from, or incorporates any portion of the Horizon software via the Shopify theme store or any other Shopify operated channel or any off-platform channel, including your own website or third-party marketplaces. So what that basically means is that I cannot click download theme file and send you that zip file. And it's not the end of the world. So currently what I'm doing with my course is where I teach people how to replicate my exact designs, basically using videos you see over here. I walk people through how to replicate that exact design. This isn't a course that drags on for weeks, not even days. It's just a course that you can go through in just an afternoon, but still there are people that are short on time. So I thought, what if I just build my own theme? Then there is no license and I can share it with anyone I want, and maybe I can make it even better than the Horizon theme. And that's how I got here. So this is the theme I created. So if we take a look at the theme code, and let's just open one random file of the theme code. And as you can see, there is a lot of code here, as you can see. So all this code you see here on this page and all these other files are created with an AI tool. And as you can see, in just 16 days, I created a lot of different files, a lot of different stuff, and it is already working. So I'm not saying it is fully finished yet, but it is working. I can simply just go in here on the homepage, similar as just the Horizon theme. I can just simply click here on the plus icon, select one of these banners or a contact form or one of these storytelling sections you see over here, and I can just open it similar as the Horizon theme. I can edit the heading. As you can see over here, there are a lot of options here as well. I can add multiple blocks here. So it works similar as the Horizon theme, just like every other theme in the Shopify store basically. But there is also stuff I built that honestly not even the Horizon theme does. So let me show you what I built in these 16 days. That is actually pretty crazy. But real quick, before I show you a little bit more of the behind the scenes processes, let me quickly touch on email marketing, which is one of the best ways of making money in e-commerce. So if you go to to my website, learnwithrobin.com, you find this blog post, and in this blog post I share the results of me testing 35 different email marketing tools, and the goal was to find the best one for Shopify users. And out of those 35 email marketing tools I tested, only 2 made the cut, which were Klaviyo and Omnisend. So I compared both platforms head to head. I did a detailed price comparison, as you can see over here, and eventually my verdict was that Omnisend wins. It offers similar functionalities just for a better price. And also, if you're just starting out, they offer a really great free plan as well. And unlike most email marketing tools, Omnisend offers most of their features in their free plan. It is capped, of course, so you can send up to 500 emails with up to 250 contacts. But if you're just starting out, having access to most of the features is pretty cool on the free plan. And in terms of features, you can send emails, of course, but also SMS. And obviously, it also offers all those other features you need. So pop-ups, abandoned cart flows, welcome flows, all of it. And if you sign up through my link below, free or paid, I'll also give you my 17-page ebook I wrote, and you can get it for absolutely free if you use my link down below. And if you upgrade to a paid plan later, there is a 30% discount code as well waiting for you in the description. All right, let's get back into my theme. So for building my Shopify theme, I used an AI tool called Claude Code. And if you've never heard of it, it's similar to ChatGPT, but I find it a bit smarter, especially on coding. And the cool part here, so we're now inside the Claude Code tool, and the cool part here is that Shopify has this plugin that you can install inside the AI tool, so inside basically ChatGPT. So this is Claude Code. You can install that plugin, and the plugin is called the Shopify AI Toolkit, and it basically has all these skills. And if you're unfamiliar with it, it's like giving the AI tool all the study books during an exam. So it can still make some mistakes here and there, but way fewer. It has all these information already baked in. It has access to all those books basically. So every time I ask a question, it's checking the real Shopify documentation. So all these skills, all these books, it's scanning them and it's making sure it has the accurate information before it gives an answer to my question basically. And let me show you what building one feature actually looks like with an AI tool. So again, this is my Shopify theme I created. Let's go to the product page. And if we open the product section, we can add a block. So let's say below the price here, I want to showcase the inventory status. So by default, it looks like this. So this is the Horizon theme. It offers a similar feature. So if we go on product information here, and if we go below the price here, and if we click the plus icon here to add the inventory status, so the product inventory it is called here we can see we have an in-stock option. So this is the default look. I have a similar look here. So first of all, I added multiple features here. So for example, I also added a progress bar. So as you can see, this is the new look. This was the old look basically. Here we can change some other things here as well that has an impact on the progress bar. Here we can change it next to the text, for example, the progress bar. Here we can also change the stock text, also not possible inside the Horizon theme. I can simply enter the text here and now it says hurry up, only 10 items left in stock. And if we scroll down here a little bit more, we can also change the colors. So as you can see, there are a lot of customization options for this exact feature. But while I'm now experimenting with this feature here, I actually noticed something that is missing in my opinion. So right now I cannot change the text color based on whether the product is in stock or not. I can just change the text color by default. So let's say I want to make it green, but now it is green whether it is in stock or almost out of stock. Actually, I want to have the customization option to change the text color as well, connected to whether it's in stock, low stock, or out of stock. So let's open the AI tool, and I already entered a prompt here. So I just press enter and now it starts working. So it's now done. It made some changes. So let's go back to the editor here. Let's see if it works. And now you can see we have this new option here, color text by stock status. We can simply enable it. And now as you can see, the text changes based on the colors you see over here. Like, this is crazy, right? We just say that we want that extra feature, and it just codes that extra feature, and it's now actually working. Like, how crazy is this? So a few other things I like a lot about building my own theme is that I have total freedom to make it exactly how I want it to be. So for example, let's take this product title on the product page, and let's take a look at the text customization options I have inside my theme. So this is my theme. If we take the product title, here we have the typography, and here we can say I want to use a custom font only for the product title. So let's say I want to change it to this font, for example. And also I want to change the size only for the product title. I can do that here as well. Just change the size here. For example, also, I want to change the line height. And not only these three options, no, I want a custom line height. I want to change that. I want to change the letter spacing only for that particular text element. And there are some more things you can see over here. So if we go to the Horizon theme, and if we click on the product title, there are some options you can see over here. So for example, we can choose a preset, or we can choose a some custom stuff here, and here we can change the font, but we only have these options. We can change the size, we can change the line height, but we cannot choose a custom line height. We cannot choose a custom letter spacing. I can just add all those options inside my custom theme. And that's just one example, of course. And the cool thing about building a Shopify theme, Shopify has it all documented very nicely. So for example, we have this page here, the theme store requirements. And as you can see, it's a long list. And I can just fed this list, I can just give this list to the AI tool and say, I want to follow this exact list. I want to follow all the requirements, and I want to meet all these requirements while building my theme. I also built an entire documentation page. It's also one of the requirements for building a Shopify theme that it has proper documentation. So I built this entire documentation page with all its features, what it currently has. And by the way, this is the name I'm giving my theme, Marevo. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of that name. So bottom line, so my theme is definitely not finished yet. There is still a long road ahead, but it already works, which is so cool. Like, I built this in just 16 days, which is crazy to me. But coming back to the entire reason why I started all of this, I started this so that when you look at one of my designs, so this design, for example, if you look at this design and you're thinking by yourself, I want this design, I want to give this design to you, so you can just simply click one button and get this design instantly. And because I'm building my own theme, I can finally do that. No license in the way. And if you like these behind the scenes videos, do let me know down below in the comments, because if no one likes them, I will not create them again in the future. So please let me know down below in the comments if you appreciate these behind the scenes looks. And if you want to follow this journey of this theme, where it's heading, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.